Hey Plant Pals, my kid a gardener, and today's very quick video is on some parsley that I'm dehydrating. I had a ton of it. This bag here was full to the top. It's a grocery bag, and it was full to the top with, get it open, parsley. So I've got half of it dehydrating. I'm saving this half to dehydrate as soon as this batch is done. It's already getting to the, well, this part here is soft. The crisp ones are on the bottom. That's getting there. You can hear it. It's getting crunchy. Some soft bits still. So I think another like hour or two, and then I can swap over, and then I can put the rest in to dehydrate. And I also today got some dried marigold seeds. I'm letting them make sure that they're completely dry. Is that a seed in there? Hoping no seeds are poking through. I don't think they did. Anyway, and in this bag here, if I can show it, because it's 38 degrees out right now, and it's going to drop down into the 20s for the next week or so. I decided to go ahead and cut down all my basil seeds so that I can save. Like this one is nice and dry, but let me see if I can do this with one hand. One moment. I'll try to show this off for you. Take this one. This piece here. Alright, so I have a big grocery bag full of basil seeds. And what you do is, probably not going to be able to do this one-handed. Let me set the phone on for a second. So I'm going to rub these seeds together with my one finger in my hand, and you'll see the results. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I would like these to be a little drier, but if you see the black things there are the seeds. And if I were to blow on it, which I don't want to do because I'm inside the house, but I'm going to let everything dry, and I'll do it inside the bag here, shake everything up. See if I blow a little bit. Oh, see, I lost a bunch of seeds. But anyway, the seeds usually stay in your hand. Like, it's great to do when you're outside, which I'm probably doing once I let these seeds dry out, I might just do it outside. But you blow away the brown stuff, and what you're left with these little black seeds, and these are basil seeds. Focus. Yeah, it doesn't want to focus in here. But anyway, yeah. So that's what I'm up to today. I'm going to let everything in this bag get good and dried out and dehydrated, and probably just let it sit for like a month or so, and then give everything a good shaking and see how it turns out. So yeah, like I said in the past, these are free seeds to me, and they're used to my conditions, so I should definitely have great luck growing basil that's used to acclimated to my zone, my climate. And I have the marigold seeds, and I've got a big bag of parsley that I'm dehydrating. So that's what I was up to today. It's like I said, it's dropping down. It was like 39 degrees when I was out there. It's dropping down into the 20s. So yeah, to rescue everything while I could. All right, this is the second batch of the parsley from my garden that I dehydrated. It was too late for me to use the blender and stuff. My wife was sleeping at the time, so I just let it sit. It's fine. Everything's completely dehydrated and crunchy, so we're good to go. So I will blend the rest of this up, and I'll show you how much I got from a a grocery store bag's worth of parsley that I got from my garden. All right, be right back. All right, as you can see here, everything's completely dehydrated. I just put it in this bowl for easy transfer over to the blender. I'm going to blend it, and then I'll show you how much I got. Be right back. All right, I blended everything up, and here's the results. Yeah, it's blowing all over the place. But yeah, I made parsley powder from this. This was an entire bag, a grocery bag, was full to the top, and it just condenses down to this. But it's very strong, very potent. I can smell it from here. It smells great. But it'll be a great addition to my pasta sauces, roast, stews, everything. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll call that a success. That was a win in my book. All right. Any comments, questions, leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.